Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys a preview of the whole entire Baddie Pass, like the items you get, the poses you get, etc, etc. So let's get started with the first item. This is the surfboard. So you'll be able to see it here in the trophy section. The first one is a surfboard. There are 3 toggles default where you're on the surfboard, left hand and right hand. The second one is shells, which obviously I can't show you for that. The third and the fifth one, it's the swimming suit. So let me just remove this. It is this swimming suit set. There's a top one for the 3rd level and the bottom one for the 5th level. Cool. Then we have these shoes. These are a VIP item. It is this butterfly kind of shoe. Super duper cute. You can color it into colors. Well, there's 2 colors for the heels. For the 10th one, you get this super cute summery bag here. This is the 10th Baddie Pass level. There's the shoulder toggle and the hand toggle. Super cute. Then we have the nails for the 12th level. I don't really use them that much. I don't really use the nails, but it's still pretty cute. There is the default and there's a long one. I can't really show you that close up. And then we have the fresh walk pose, which is this one here. I'm lagging a little bit. It's this one. Here, I'll show you what that looks like. This is the idol. This is the walk. Pretty cute, actually. Next, we have the VIP top here. It's the shell top. This one is the VIP shell top here. Let me just, I don't think you can add any, what's it called? Materials to it, but it's still super cute. This is the VIP kind of shell top. Next, we have the dragged out walk. Let me just add some pants to this. Hold on. Okay, so the drag out walk is this one. Let me just open up the walks here. It's this one. It's like you're being dragged out. As you can see, it's kind of a funny walk, to be honest. Okay, I keep on clicking that. Sorry, I'm used to it for some reasons. And equip that. Next we have this, which is the summer post pack. It is this one here. Where is it? It's like the Sun Kiss. It's called the Sun Kiss post pack. There's sizzling, tropical, toasty, lemonade, heat wave, burning hot, and sun-kissed. They're all super cute. I like sun-kissed the most. Next, we got this top and this skirt in level 24 and 26. So let me put that on. We have this top here and the skirt. Super cute combo. For the first one, you can toggle it to no sleeves. You can toggle it to just sleeves, or you can toggle it to, I don't know what this does. Oh, you can remove the top bottom here. The skirt, you can also make it long, and you can also turn off the string, if you don't want it. Alright, next we have the superhero post pack here. Sorry, the superhero walk. It's this one. I think it's super cool. And And whoops, lastly, we have obviously the dress here. Super cute as well. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.